Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to enter DWA assessment scores into Illuminate, EUSD's new data management system. First thing you're going to do is go to the district website, click on Staff, go down to Illuminate, and then you're going to enter your password, or your username, and your password, and it's EUSD1234 if this is your first time. Your username is your first initial and then your last name all lowercase. If that doesn't work, try putting a 1 at the end of it. Then you're going to click on Next, and I've clicked in here several times. Yours should go. I've been using it a number of times, so it's kind of wondering what's going on. Anyway, it's going to ask you to give a new password. And change your password, so now it's yours. Remember that password. And then you're going to be invited to take a tour. If this is your first time, you can take it if you want. You can click on tour, but I'm going to click off of that. You can just click off that if you want to do the assessments. Anyway, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on assessments, because you're going to enter assessments, list assessments. We're going to find the assessment. Now when it comes up, this is a filter system. There's a whole bunch of different assessments in Illuminate, and you want to filter out, so you only have a few to choose from. Quickest way to do this. And before you filter, you want to clear the filter. And this button over here says clear, and what that does is it takes all the filters away, because Illuminate will save old filters that you've already applied, so you don't want those to be there, because things can get hidden and you're like, why can't I find it? And it's really there, but it's been filtered out. So you're going to click on Others and click on 2014, your grade level, Assessments. Then the scope is going to be a district benchmark, and then it's going to be a writing. Click on Search, and hopefully your writing assessments will come up that you need to input. So go ahead and click on those right down here. When this comes up, it's going to ask you, this is the first time you're using it, it's going to ask you to switch over, make a switch, and you're going to want to go ahead and do that. Just click on Make a Switch. If you've already done this, it won't ask you again. It's just this one time. And then we're going to input data, you're going to enter data, and usually it'll just come up with this screen right here, okay, instead of asking you to input data. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down, and where it says Administration, click on that. You're going to click on Enter and Edit Data. Go down here, click on Find Students, and then all your students are going to come up. And this is where you're going to be entering your data. Now there's several ways you can enter data. You can enter it by column, you can enter it by student, or by a grid. And entering by column, what's going to happen if you click on that, it's going to give you individual columns that you're going to be able to enter in. So it's going to start with date taken. And you can autofill that just by clicking up here at the top and click on what date it was taken, and it'll automatically enter that for you. And then you'll go to the next one. Go to the next column by saving it, and they'll go to the next column right here. And then you'll save that and go to the next column. There's also student, where you get each student, not by the columns, by each student. Enter in all that student's data. Click Save, go to the next student. You can go to your next student, and then you can go to your next student. Okay. The last one is my favorite, which is the grid. And this is where you just enter your information. So you can just enter, you can press Tab and go to the next one, just like you do with a spreadsheet. And enter all that data. Okay, so once you're done with that, make sure you press Save, and then you'll be done. So I hope this is useful. Thanks a lot for watching.